Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 200 Smart, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and here scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select Reset Phone. And this will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and basically all user data somewhere listed in here. So if you have anything of that sort that you like to preserve, make a copy of it before you go any further. I don't have anything here, so I'm just going to select Reset Phone. You do have the option to back up your phone right here on this page, though this will be done to the Honor cloud, and it means that you're going to be only limited to this data being restored onto another Honor device, which is basically kind of like string holding your data by forcing you to use an Honor device. I don't recommend doing this. It's just basically BS. You're basically uploading your own personal data to someone else's computer that has access to this. They don't, apparently, that they're probably going to use to train their AI models, and then they also give you an ultimatum that you're either going to use our device or this data is inaccessible to you. Doesn't really sound like an enticing offer to me. So I highly recommend backing up your phone to something like your computer as an example, and using this only if you don't have anything else as an option to back it up to. Now, I'm not going to be backing up my device at all, so I'm just going to select Reset Phone right here, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. This process will take about 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, I'll be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.